Flash sale, it's flash sale time. It's Friday, happy Friday everybody. Janelle and I have just been working on some promos and some specials and trying to think of some flash sales that we can run this weekend. We're shooting a few videos today on slip pour because it's on promo this month, next month as well.
Yep, correct.
We're going to do an unboxing on our gel trial kits. Just so everyone's asking, what are they asking?
They're asking exactly what is included in the kit. So I thought that I'd go through and just unbox one so you can see exactly all the gels that you're getting.
Yeah, so they're on 20% off. Basically, if you were to buy everything separately by volume of those, you know, it's less than half price. It's a good deal. It's great for somebody that hasn't tried the product and wants to check it out. So slip pour is on 20% off. Hence the reason for the videos. There's a lot of people that still don't really know the best way to use it. We like to use our gel systems more so than our resin systems. It's really up to you guys. If you don't have a gel light, you're going to use resin. Resin's a little bit temperamental, especially here in Queensland where it's hotter in the summers. In Melbourne, it's a bit cooler. You know, things happen when the temperature's not right, so you can use the gel. Makes it easy to get off. Lots of other benefits. So Janelle's going to do 2 videos, right?
Yep, slick pour with a resin system, and then slick pour using your caption conversion gel, just to show you the difference and the ease with both of them.
Yeah, you can weigh it up, you can decide how you want to do it. So the slick pour promo is 20% off all month, and I'm going to do some super big bags. I think probably around 30 slick pours in there for 30% off, so that's going to be a great deal. That'll go up tonight for this weekend only. Correct,
yes.
And airbrushes, we're down to our last 10 airbrushes, so we'll put a super deal together on our airbrushes. You get a great price, a really great price on those, but not only that, we're throwing on a few extra items, like we'll throw in 3 random paints, spare guns, some free advice. If you're not sure how to use it, just give us a call.
Yep.
What else we got?
We've also got our Synergy gel. If you buy a 15 gram Synergy base gel, you get a concealer pink for free, which is a really good value. So that's working out as 50% off.
Awesome. Let's get into some of these workshops and demos. We're going to be doing the 2 slick pour ones that we mentioned, and also I think we have Laura flying up from Tassie this afternoon. She's going to be our model for the day. We'll get some cool sets of nails on her.
Yes.
And
let's get into this.
Happy Friday. But we're going to put some very special big bags up there, which will be up to 30% off. Big caption bags. Totally. We totally.
Did we?
It's caption. It's slick pour. Slick pour.
But we're going to do. Oh, you said 30% off caption.
Yeah.